Welcome to the YP Investors Stock Selector tutorial. This video explains the basics of the Stock Selector tool and how you can use it to put yourself a step ahead. The Stock Selector page will not have information populated initially because there is no stock in check. To use the tool, input a stock, select Check Stock, and all the information about the stock will appear. The current market conditions are always displayed at the top of this tool, whether there is a stock in check or not. When investing or trading, you should always know what the market conditions are and what to do during each market condition. Below the current market conditions image is a quick description of the condition. Click on this description for our YP investing strategies that apply to the current market condition. This includes strategies for stocks and options, as well as retirement plans such as a 401k. Once a stock symbol is entered in the Stock Selector tool, it will gather information and run technical analysis calculations. Just below the Check Stock button is the Frequently Asked Questions tab, followed by the stock symbol, company name, and description. The next section calculates the number of positive technical attributes for that stock. There are 5 key technical attributes including current trend, long and short-term relative strength versus the market, and long and short-term relative strength versus peers. A solid, technically performing stock will have at least 3 positive technical attributes, which should include a positive current trend. This general rule will help you keep the strongest technical stocks in your portfolio. Now let's discuss the 5 technical attributes. The current trend attribute is determined from the point and figure chart and indicates the long-term trend of a stock. Next, the long and short-term relative strength versus market attributes compares a stock head-to-head versus the market to show which is better performing. Similarly, the long and short-term relative strength versus peers sector is a head-to-head comparison of the stock versus its sector ETF to determine if it's best in its class. The sector ETF is a collection of stocks in the same sector. Continuing down our YP Stock Selector page, you will see information about the stock including its current price, chart data, and earnings and financial information. This information allows you to perform fundamental analysis on the stock as well as additional technical analysis. Finally, at the bottom of our Stock Selector page, you'll find the stock's point and figure chart. Here you will see the stock's current trend as indicated in the attributes above. You will also see if the stock is on or close to any buy or sell signals. At the bottom of the page, you will find a link to the YP Investors Point and Figure Charting tutorial video for more information about how to use the point and figure chart. The Stock Selector tool is one of YP Investors' most powerful tools, providing you with insight and instant stock analysis to help you make the right investing decisions. Check out our other powerful tools at ypinvestors.com and continue to grow your wealth.